Boxing and its variations have become increasingly accessible to a wider audience. Gone are the days where training was solely focused on entering the ring. Engaging in a set of boxing exercises can have numerous benefits, including improving endurance and enhancing the cardiovascular and respiratory systems. However, boxing also carries risks. During sparring, injuries can occur that can severely harm one's health, particularly when it comes to frequent punches to the head. To mitigate these risks, paired training should only occur under the guidance of an experienced coach. For those who want to avoid potential harm to their appearance and health, non-contact boxing exercises, such as practicing punches on a punching bag, are a safer option. For those who desire to use boxing techniques to develop their own body without reaching athletic heights, there are various directions within this sport. Attractive and comfortable gyms, equipped with full protective gear and guided by diverse trainers, can help individuals achieve desired results, such as strengthening their muscular system, agility, and strength without risking dangerous injuries. Regular training can lead to numerous health benefits, such as those that will be discussed in this video. Boxing is a workout that combines both aerobic and anaerobic loads. Aerobic loads place stress on the cardiovascular system, increasing blood flow to the muscles and lungs and releasing endorphins. This type of training not only aids in weight loss, but also reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease and numerous chronic illnesses. Boxing classes encompass a variety of activities, including jump rope, circuit training, and running, which significantly enhance the cardiovascular system. For beginners, seeking consultation with a trainer and selecting a comfortable pace is recommended, especially as joints weaken with age, increasing the risk of fractures and pain, both during exercise and in everyday life. However, physical activity can prevent this problem, and basic boxing exercises can help to strengthen the legs and arms, thus fortifying the joints. Boxing offers another benefit, improving coordination. During training, one not only learns to move quickly, but also to follow the punches in the punching bag, enhancing coordination skills. However, the risk of injury should not be a deterrent from trying boxing, as injuries can happen in any physical activity, including yoga. It's unlikely for beginners to be immediately put in the ring against opponents, as initial training typically involves practicing with a punching bag, coordinating movements, and jump rope exercises to develop skills gradually. If you're not seeing the desired results from your gym workouts, why not try boxing? Boxing provides a comprehensive workout for the entire body, working out the arms, legs, back, abs, and even the buttocks through a combination of jumps, squats, kicks, and punches. Even without additional weights, boxing can help strengthen muscles and achieve a lean physique. On average, boxing can burn anywhere from 400 to 700 calories per hour, depending on the intensity and type of exercise. The combination of cardio and strength training provided by boxing is sure to result in weight loss and noticeable improvements in body appearance. Additionally, the intense physical exercise of boxing can also help speed up metabolism. As previously mentioned, boxing is a great way to build muscle and improve cardiovascular health, resulting in increased endurance overall. As your body becomes accustomed to the demands of boxing, it becomes easier to tolerate other types of exercise, and your heart and lungs become better at delivering blood and oxygen to your muscles. This increased efficiency means your muscles can handle longer periods of activity without getting tired. Improved breathing is also a benefit of boxing, making it easier to walk or run long distances. In fact, studies have shown that any aerobic exercise, including boxing, can lead to improved mood, better sleep, and increased self-esteem. Boxing is not only great for improving your fitness, but it can also help reduce stress, including negative emotions like anger. By releasing serotonin during exercise, boxing can give you a mood boost and make you feel happier. Even if you're not planning to become a professional boxer, training can help you quickly get in shape and maintain it, while also providing an outlet to release negative emotions. So the next time you feel like you're losing strength and about to feel sad, head to the gym or go for a run to get rid of those emotions. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed it, you won't want to miss out on these next 2 amazing fitness videos right here. They're packed with even more content to help you reach your fitness goals and take them to the next level.